everybody, welcome to the channel. How are you today? It's been a long time I made video, and I'm sorry about the up and down. It's because I have a lot of projects in my hand, but now we're back. Let's get back to work. Now, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make these organic green tea facial gel. This facial gel, you can use it for the face, for the neck, and for all over the body. It's something you want to include. Maybe add a little bit to your cream, okay, to your lotion, and to add anti-aging effect. Now, how do we make this? I use organic green tea. So here is a not freshly brewed. This has been staying here for more than 30 minutes now, so it's good. You want to brew your green tea with distilled water. So freshly boiled distilled water. Add about 250 ml to 230 ml, please. 200 to 230 ml to one green tea bag, and let it simmer for 15 minutes. So cover it and let it stay there for 15 minutes. This is to extract the goodness in this green tea. So set that aside and let's prepare the base. How do you prepare the base? You need xanthan gum. So I use clear xanthan gum USP by Pure Blend Natural. This is the grade we use to make beauty product because it adds stability to any of your beauty products. Okay, it's a USP grade because it has fine particles. So make sure you wear your nose mask. Then in that, we're going to use our humectant of choice is vegetable glycerin. Okay, I always like USP grade because they are the best for making cosmetic grade beauty products. If you want to make effective beauty products, okay, you want to always go for USP grade if it's available for your beauty product. Then of course we're going to need distilled water. Then you're going to need your preservative of choice. My preservative of choice, as you all know on this channel, is Youthful PE 9010. Is a very powerful, non-toxic preservative that kick against microbial growth in your beauty product. So it protects your skin from any of that. So first thing you want to do is measure 5 grams. So we're going to rush through it. Measure 5 grams of xanthan gum. So whether you're using this, which is what I recommend, clear xanthan gum USP, or your regular xanthan gum, make sure you measure 5 grams. So measure 5 grams of that. Not 5 grams, 0.5 gram. Let's zoom the camera a little bit so we can be on the same page. To that, we're going to add vegetable glycerin USP grade. So we're going to add 4 grams of that, of vegetable glycerin USP grade. I'm using the grade by Pure Blend Natural. You mix the two very well to ensure everything is well combined. To that, you're going to have 50 grams of distilled water. Okay, do not boil the distilled water this time around. It's different from the green tea, right? 50 grams of distilled water. Sorry, I overused that, but just for demonstration purpose, I do not mix it well. Okay, then we're going to add to that. We're going to add please bear with me. I have a new setup for my camera, so it takes getting used to. Okay, so we're going to measure 45 grams of freshly brewed green tea. Now you add 45 grams of your green tea, and you're going to mix. The extract in the green tea is so powerful, even our water cannot dilute it. So that's how you know the importance of green tea. Okay. So mix it well. Once it's well mixed, we're going to add the final ingredient. Your final ingredient will be your preservative. So my preservative of choice is Elixir PE9010 by Pure Blend Natural. We're going to add that at 0.5 gram. Just a couple of drops. Mix that and don't forget to check the pH and adjust it accordingly. Okay. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to make a version that will involve the use of green tea extract powder. So this one, we use green tea, okay? Green tea, organic green tea, to make an anti-aging facial gel. In my next video, I'll show you how to make your facial gel. So this is what I made a while ago. You can see this is more balanced. And this is what I just made, which is still in the process of settling down. So what I would do for these two now later before I combine them is that I'm going to check and balance the pH. So over to you to make sure you go ahead and check and balance your own pH. I've done a lot of pH adjustment video on this channel, so it's something you want to check. So just check how to check your pH, how to adjust your pH. So check it if the pH is lower than 5. You want to bump it up because the standard pH, the best pH for the skin is 5.5. Okay, so this is our project for today. I hope you enjoyed. Like I said before, you can use it before you use your cream. It's non-tacky. Just use a little bit at a time on your face and your neck. Add some to your cream or lotion. It had an anti-aging property to it. Thanks for watching. If you are not subscribed to the channel, you may be missing out on my next project. So don't forget to smash that subscribe button and the notification icon to be notified of my next video. In my next video, I'm going to show you how to make your green tea extra, green tea facial gel with green tea extra. So it's a video you don't want to miss. If you know about green tea extract, you know it's a very, very powerful cosmetic grade ingredient that adds beauty to the skin. Okay, thanks for watching everyone, and happy formulating.